tonight's 30-minute dinner, I'm going to be making sweet chili and grape jelly turkey meatballs. These are already fully cooked turkey meatballs that I get at Trader Joe's. We're just going to put them into a saucepan with some organic grape jelly and this sweet chili sauce. All of these items come from Trader Joe's. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in a sauce pot together and reheat the meatballs. With our meatballs, I'm going to cook up some of this basmati rice and mix in some mixed vegetables. I've made a recipe similar to this on my channel before where I combined meatballs with strawberry jelly and barbecue sauce. That idea came from Tiffany Beeston. She recommended doing barbecue sauce and grape jelly. I always grew up doing it with chili sauce and grape jelly, and I actually prefer that. I think that the chili sauce adds a little bit of heat, which is nice, and it's balanced out with the grape jelly. So I'm just gonna show you how I make this super quick and easy dinner. The key to cooking rice perfectly is to rinse it off first. I just put it into this little strainer that I get from IKEA. It was maybe $2 or $3. Just dump your rice there and rinse it really well with water, shaking it out to make sure that there's no standing water left sitting into your rice, and then dump it into your pot of boiling water. Then we're going to just go ahead and mix in 1 cup of these mixed vegetables. These are a combination of carrots, corn, peas, green beans, and lima beans. The 5 ingredients that we will be using for tonight's dinner: onion, corn on the cob, butter, roasted garlic and herb chicken sausage, and tagine. I'm going to slice the end off this onion, coat it in butter, put some butter on the corn, sprinkle both of these with the tagine, and then just barbecue the roasted garlic and herb chicken sausage. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marissa, also known as Homemaking with Marissa on YouTube as well as on Instagram. I make primarily lifestyle videos here on YouTube, things like what's for dinner, grocery hauls, as well as home improvement projects. My husband and I have been doing a full backyard makeover series on my channel, showing how we redid this patio, the play structure, and have done some other landscaping projects. I will link that in the description box down below if that's a playlist that you're interested in. I also have a separate playlist showing other limited ingredient meals. I have videos showing how to make an entire holiday dinner with only 10 ingredients, multiple 5-ingredient dinner ideas, as well as a video showing 2-ingredient snacks. That will also be linked in the description box below if you're interested. I'm going to just go ahead and put these ingredients onto the Traeger. We don't have a traditional barbecue in my house, but we do use this Traeger for multiple meals throughout the summer. Five ingredients for tonight's dinner: bell pepper, zucchini, onion, mushroom, and steak. I'm going to just cube everything up and stick it into the air fryer for 20 minutes. I am a wife and working mom to 3 children, ranging in age from 3 to 15 years old. On days that I work, I try to find really quick and easy dinners that can be prepared in 30 minutes or less. This onion saver is something that I've had for a number of years. It is a great way to keep partially used onions really fresh. I have one for tomatoes, I have one for lemons, one for garlic. If I can find something comparable, I will link it in the description box below. But I absolutely love having this because I find that onions, if you use part of it and you don't put it in something like this, kind of dry out. So this is a great way to extend the life of your onion. If you haven't done so already, I would love it if you would join my little YouTube community by subscribing to my channel. And if you would like to see additional limited ingredient or 30-minute meals, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so that I know that it's something that you're interested in. If you would like to watch additional videos that I've filmed, I have them for you on the left side of your screen. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face on the right side of your screen. I hope you're all staying happy and healthy. Bye!